Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Knowledge Hunt. In the today's video, we are going to see the top three challenges faced in the ML industry. So nowadays, the machine learning is booming in the industry. So there are different challenges that are being faced in the machine learning industry by the developers or the people that are being faced whenever they are developing the codings or whenever they are developing the machine learning code. So we'll see one by one what are the different challenges whenever they are fetching the data or whenever they are executing different applications. So let us see one by one. So the first challenges or the first challenge is the lack of the training data. So as we all know, so to train the data or to train the machine learning algorithms, we need a large amount of data, or to gain the insights from the data, to gain the knowledge, we need a large amount of data. So to train the machine learning algorithm, we need to storage and maintain the large amount of data. So to store the large amount of data is the main issue among the scientists or the developers. So for a simple task also we need a thousand amount of data samples, and it is a advanced level of task. Like if we want to do image processing or speech recognition, then we need a millions of examples or millions of data records. So to store or to incorporate or to collect such large amount of data is in itself a large amount of collection of data, itself a big task for the developers and the programmers, and it is a very big challenge for the developers to collect a large amount of data set. So it is a one of the most biggest challenge faced by the machine learning peoples or developers to collect a large amount of data. So this is the first challenge this is faced by the developers in the machine learning industry to collect the training data from the large amount of data set or from the large amount of the data from the different industry. The next is this the model scalability. So if you are searching or if you are collecting the data from the different places, so it is important that the data should be in a smaller size. Means whatever the data that we are collecting from the different places or different platform, it should be stored into the smaller size so that it should be easily accessible, and it should be stored into the smaller size, and it should be accessed in the faster speed. So the main task is to store the data into the smaller size, and that should be accessed with a faster rate. So that is the scalability of a model. So the model should be scalable and the data should be stored into the smaller size. Means the millions and terabytes of data should be stored into the small database. So this is the main advantage of big data, or this is the main advantage of the machine learning platforms, that it should store the data into a smaller size and the data should be accessed with a high speed of rate. So nowadays machine learning or big data is used to access the data with a faster rate, and that it should be stored with a smaller size into the database. So this is the one of the biggest challenge that is faced by the machine learning industry people. And the third and the bigger most challenge is the discrepancies between the data. Like, so the third is the discrepancies between the data. The discrepancies means the accessibility of the data depends on the different things, that is the location, the season or the platforms of the data. Like whenever we are accessing the data accessibility depends on the different things. Like first is the location. Like if the data is being stored at the different location and we are accessing it from the different location, then it may affect the data, or it may affect the speed of the data, or the data properties may be changed. So this may affect the properties of the data, or the uh, data may be changed due to the location dependencies. So it may change the data properties which may affect the properties of the data, that may cause the change in the nature of the data, which may affect the algorithm, or which may affect the result or outcome of the algorithm. So also the season, like due to the weather affect, sometimes the weather also affect the data. Like due to the nature also there is a dependency in the data. Like due to the nature there is a dependency in the cloud related properties. Like if the data is stored into the cloud, there is a loss in the data. Like there is a dependency in the platform. Like if the data is stored into the laptop and it is accessed via the mobile platform, then there is a dependency that the data is not accessed from the mobile. Like if you are accessing some of the websites from the mobile, they are not accessible since the data is cannot downloaded from the mobile platform. So there are some websites that are not accessible via the mobile. They are only accessible via the laptop, accessible via the laptops or the computers. So there is a dependency between the laptops that are dependent on the platform, season or locations. So these are the dependencies which are dependent on some of the platforms or seasons or locations, which may cause the discrepancies between the data. So these are the some of the platform dependent based accessibility that cause variation among the data accessibilities. So these are some of the challenges that are faced by the machine learning industry people, which cause a difficulty in accessing the data, or which cause difficulty in accessing the machine learning algorithms, which may cause a challenges for the machine learning industry people. I hope everyone is clear with the idea and what are the different challenges faced by the machine learning people or the industry people. For more such videos on machine learning and big data, stay tuned on the channel. Make sure you subscribe it. Thank you everyone.